This tutorial is to review creation of a pure tone audiometry protocol. The protocol setting guides the user through the protocol options with simple setting screens. This customizes the device to tailor it specific to the screening program. To create a protocol, select the hamburger menu at the top left corner. Select Manage Protocols, and a demonstration MAICO sample protocol is listed. Add a new protocol by selecting the plus icon at the bottom right corner. The first protocol screen contains several selectable items, as the remaining screens are tailored based on this entry. This tutorial is specific to the pure tone audiometry test method, which includes manual and automatic test operation. Please review the tutorial on screening methods to understand the differences and make correct selection for your testing needs. Select the pure tone audiometry when complete control of hearing level is required for the test, specifically threshold measurements. The automatic test toggle switch is activated if the protocol should be assigned as an automatic test. For a manual test operation, the toggle switch should be inactivated. Enter a name with the onboard keyboard and use the right arrow to move to the next screen. Selection of test frequencies is next. Select the frequencies that are required for your hearing screening program. The blue check mark indicates those frequencies activated and part of the protocol. Set default level is a default hearing level the audiometer is set to when entering the test screen, when changing frequencies, and changing ears. Use the arrows beside the level shown to make a change. Set pure tone average calculation is next. This is defaulted to off, but when preferred to have displayed, select the toggle switch to turn on. When this setting is activated, the pure tone average will display on the test screen and on reports. The frequencies that were selected for this protocol are listed and available to be included in the pure tone average calculation. You can also weight a frequency more heavily than others by selecting ×2. Frequency order is the next protocol option. The easyTone will automatically move to the next frequency upon scoring, so defining an order allows less button pushes during the test. To change the default order, just tap the first frequency and the order is cleared. For the audiometry protocol, the frequencies for the right ear must be selected before transition to the left ear. Set overall result is the sixth selection screen. This will allow selecting and displaying an overall pass, refer, or could not test for the results documentation, along with the individual frequency results. This is defaulted to on, and a preview of the report is shown. By selecting the toggle, a preview of the report without an overall result is displayed. The last setting is the signal type. The selection options are steady tone, pulse tone, warble tone, and pulse warble tone. Once all selections are made, select Create to save the protocol and return to the protocol list. If another protocol is required, select the Add button and continue to create. When a pure tone audiometry automatic test is selected from the protocol selection, there are 3 differences to the selection items available. 1 is the choose frequency order. This can be set to standard, where a predefined sequence will be followed, or random, where frequencies and ears are in a randomized order. The second is that no overall result selection, meaning the pass or refer, is available for an automatic test. And third is the signal type. Steady and pulse are the available selection options. When multiple protocols are created, to change the order of the protocol, simply hold and drag the protocol to the preferred placement. When done with protocol creation, select the back arrow to return to the start screen. Protocol selection is made from the start screen or test screen with the protocol drop-down. Once a protocol is selected, it will remain the startup protocol even when closing the app. This completes this tutorial on creating a pure tone audiometry protocol. Please continue through the tutorial series for additional easyTone instruction.